Once upon a time, in the realm of mesmerizing DIY wonders, a group of builders embarked on a charming journey to create a miniature haven that would captivate the senses. Their vision: to construct a tiny round swimming pool and a colorful villa, all effortlessly brought to life through the enchanting allure of magnetic balls. Join us on this delightful ASMR adventure, where every magnetic connection weaves a story of creativity, color, and tranquility. The tale began with the selection of vibrant magnetic spheres, each one a pixel in the grand design of the miniature paradise. The builders envisioned not just a pool and villa, but a symphony of color and relaxation. As the magnetic balls clicked and connected, a harmonious rhythm emerged, setting the stage for a story where every connection echoed with the promise of a charming retreat. The first chapter unfolded with the construction of the tiny round swimming pool, a shimmering oasis designed to reflect the vibrant hues of the magnetic spheres. Transparent walls, formed by the magical connections, allowed the builders to peer into the crystal-clear waters within. The builders marveled at how the pool seemed to embody tranquility and color, a testament to the harmonious dance between human creativity and the magnetic magic. With the miniature pool standing as a testament to their artistic prowess, attention turned to the colorful villa, a charming abode that would complement the aquatic oasis. Each wall, each corner, and each rooftop tile were crafted with meticulous precision. The builders envisioned a tiny sanctuary where the magnetic allure would harmonize with the playful colors, creating an enchanting dwelling that radiated joy. As the villa reached completion, the builders reveled in the immersive symphony of construction. The ASMR experience heightened the joy, as magnetic clicks and soothing sounds provided a therapeutic backdrop, echoing the tranquility of flowing water and the excitement of creation. The grand reveal marked a moment of enchantment. The tiny round swimming pool and the colorful villa stood as a testament to the limitless possibilities when creativity met magnetic magic. The comments section overflowed with admiration, viewers expressing awe at the seamless blend of innovation, architectural elegance, and the immersive sounds that envelop the DIY sanctuary. In the heart of this miniature haven, the builders reveled in the joy of having not just constructed a pool and villa, but having woven a narrative where color and tranquility converged. The tiny round swimming pool and the colorful villa became more than a project. They were a symbol of the extraordinary joy that emerges when imagination takes a plunge into the magical waters of DIY creation. And so, in the realm of DIY dreams, the saga of the ASMR video featuring a tiny round swimming pool and a colorful villa from magnetic balls endured as a celebration of ingenuity and the immersive magic of magnetic spheres. The builders cherished the memory of crafting not just a delightful haven, but a story where the joy of creation flowed as vibrantly as the colors in their enchanting miniature oasis.